In this video, I'd like to share with you a simple way to help students write the most important part of their ECR essay, and that's going to be their claim sentence or their central idea sentence. Now, students need to understand, obviously, that an ECR essay prompt is going to ask them to explain something. It's located in the second sentence in the prompt box, starting with the word explain. It might ask them to explain how. It might ask them to explain why. They might be asked to explain their opinion about something. So always make sure they understand how to locate the prompt in that prompt box. From there, we discuss claim sentences and central idea sentences. Claim sentences state their opinion about something in an argumentative text. A central idea sentence starts an informational text when they're asked to explain how or why. So to make sure they have a really nice claim or central idea sentence, an easy trick is to show them how to use words from the prompt to start that sentence. So if we had the first example here, explain why the Edwards Aquifer is important in the article. We're going to tell them to look right past that word why. The next word is the. That's the word that they will use to start that central idea. The Edwards Aquifer is important in the article for a few reasons. Now, if they're asked to explain their opinion about something, we tell students that they should always start their opinion sentence, that claim, with the words I think. That way it's letting their audience know they are stating a clear opinion. Also, they need to pick a side. I think people should, or I think people should not. And you stick with your side throughout. I always tell kids it's kind of like Twix candy bars, pick a side. That's what you need to do. Left Twix, right Twix, same kind of thing. Pick a side and stick with it. You'll notice it will still have that word why or how. So again, you say I think, and then look right after the word why. People should be rewarded for recycling. Or I think people should not be rewarded for recycling. And then you can just close it out with the phrase for a few reasons. From there, I like to have students practice this orally. Let's just talk about how to develop them first, then eventually I'll get them to write or type them. So, using words from the prompt to write a claim or central idea sentence, all they have to do is use those words and then add the phrase in a few ways or for a few reasons to complete that sentence. Explain how pets communicate with their owners. Let's look right past the word how. Start our central idea with the word pets communicate with their owners in a few ways. Explain why citizens may protest. So look right after that word why. Start your central idea sentence with citizens may protest for a few reasons. Explain how students use technology at school. Again, what word do we look past? How. And we're going to start with students use technology at school in a few ways. Explain how citizens may protest. It looks like that's a repeat. So again, they should know that one. Citizens may protest in a few ways. Actually, that's a little bit different because the first slide said why. This one says how. Now, if they're asked to make a claim, explain your opinion about why students should or should not use AI. I'm going to start with I think. I think students should use AI for a few reasons. Or I think students should not use AI for a few reasons. Explain how plants help the environment. Okay, look right past that word how to start that central idea. Plants help the environment in a few ways. So, hopefully, this makes central idea sentence writing or claim sentence writing a simple activity that you can practice with students. Again, have them verbalize it first, then take them into writing and typing it. They're guaranteed to get at least a point or two if they have a really good and clear central idea or claim.